Hello, and welcome to the CommunityKC website. This is a brief navigational guide to the CommunityKC's website. CommunityKC is an online tool that allows a user to locate local projects going on in the Kansas City area, as well as post local projects. CommunityKC's goal is to help organizations complete their projects and connect them to the resources they need. This is the homepage for the CommunityKC website. It includes an interactive map where the user can zoom in or out, as well as numbered and colored tabs with a map key located on the right side that denotes the reason for each color. The CommunityKC website was designed as an interactive tool for the user to easily find or access a local project in the Kansas City area. The projects can range from renovations and repairs to celebrations and events. The projects can be ongoing, in the planning stage, or already executed. The CommunityKC website provides the user the ability to easily locate information on local projects in an all-in-one, easy-to-use website. The user can locate projects in multiple ways, such as searching by keyword, by neighborhood name, or project type. Today we will be discussing how to search by keyword, which will be detailed later. Here in the page are different tabs that include information about CommunityKC and the projects. In the About tab includes further detail on the visions of CommunityKC, which are listed here. CommunityKC is an online community project mapping tool that is designed to help organizations connect with each other, identify potential partners, become informed of local projects and initiatives, avoid duplication of efforts, network and share information, and promote the good things occurring in Kansas City. The website is constantly being updated and has details of the updates in this link here. There are also planned updates such as a design overhaul and map improvements. The contact information is at the bottom of the page here, as well as in the Contact Us link here. If the user has questions, they could be answered under this tab, the Frequently Asked Questions tab. Here are the frequently asked questions. Who should use the CommunityKC mapping tool? What is considered a community project? How do I use the CommunityKC mapping tool? How can this map help my organization collaborate? Who developed the CommunityKC mapping tool? And what are the future plans for the CommunityKC mapping tool? Under each tab are answers given by the CommunityKC website to these questions. They may include a photograph or other information. I will click through those so that the user can see them. If the question is not answered, they are instructed to email CommunityKC at info@communitykc.org. Each tab has a different purpose for the website. We've already seen the Map tab. Now we're going to click on the Events tab. The events will list upcoming events or past events in the KC area. If the user wishes to post their own event, they can click on the Add Event tab, read through the terms and conditions, and must first create an account in order to do so. If the user wishes to add a project, they can do so by clicking an Add a Project tab. The process is the same for adding an event. They must first create an account and have the project or event approved by CommunityKC. The map page is an interactive tool. There's also the ability to search using the map. The user can scroll in or out, find a certain project, click on the project, and being shown the information on that project, and they can lead them to their project page. The user can also search by list view by clicking the list view tab. This brings up all the projects in the CommunityKC website in alphabetical order, starting with numbers and then A to Z. The user can also reach this page by hitting the View All Projects tab. The next way a user can find a project is by using keyword. If the user wishes to find a project based on a phrase or keyword, they can do so starting from any of the tabs here or the home page by using the dialog box, the magnifier next to it. We're going to use the keyword 18th Street and hit the search button. The search page brings up all projects with 18th Street in their description or title. The user can also find a project by using a more broad term if they do not know the exact title of their project. We are going to try education. Education yields these results. In each of these projects, education is found, and the projects are listed here. This tool allows a user to find a number of projects based on keyword. That is how you search using keyword. The CommunityKC website is sharp and designed to help the user in any way it can. The website serves as a database for those looking to get the word out about their projects or find information on one. It is concise and does not lead the user down a difficult trail of tabs, but rather provides a well-organized way to locate projects in the Kansas City area. The user has many searching tools at their disposal and can find answers to their questions in the Frequently Asked Questions tab or contact CommunityKC at info.communitykc.org or call them at this number, or hit the Contact Us link, which brings up these dialog boxes, which emails CommunityKC. This has been a brief overview of the CommunityKC website, as well as a tutorial of the search by keyword function. Please feel free to contact CommunityKC about any further questions about the site. Thank you.